Okay, Abby, what's this animal?
Um, Horse.
What does a horse say?
I don't know.
Neigh. Good. What animal is this?
Pig.
What does a pig say?
Oink, oink.
What animal is this?
Sheep.
What does a sheep say?
Ah.
Good. What animal is this?
Zoo.
A goose. What does a goose say? What? Louder. Good. And what animal is this?
Rooster.
No. Close.
Turkey. Turkey.
What does a turkey say?
I don't know.
It's gobble gobble.
Gobble,
And what animal is this?
gobble. Cow.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
Good. What animal is this?
Cat.
What does a cat say?
Meow.
Good.
And hat.
Good. And what animal is this?
Dog.
What does a dog say? Good. And what animal is this?
Duck.
What does a duck say?
Oink, oink.
A duck says oink oink?
Yeah.
No. What does a duck say?
I don't know.
Quack quack. Okay. Ready? Let's find one more. What animal? Who is this?
Dada.
What does Deda say?
That's formal.
What does Deda say?
That's it. I don't know.
Does he say, I love you? Can you say, I love you, Deda? Say bye. Look at the camera, say bye.